Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It's a problem with Windows is preventing screen snipping from opening. Refreshing your PC might help fix it guys. Let's do it guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps. Go to installed apps, open it. Now type here snipping tool, search app SNIPPING, snipping tool, click the three dot icon and advanced option. Scroll down guys. Reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected. Repair it guys. Now go and launch the snipping tool guys. If you resolved the problem, it's working means leave it guys, or if not working, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Want to reset it guys? This will permanently delete the app data on the device including your performance and sign in details. Reset it. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.